Welcome back. You're watching Power Talk, and today we're talking about hydropower potential and progress.
This part of EMA Power News is brought to you by AMCO, end-to-end solutions in power transmission and distribution.
Mr. Mittal, during the 10th and the central sector added more capacity than the state and private sector put together. In 11th five-year plan, where we have the target of around 16,500 megawatt, what capacity is expected from the private sector?
16,500 that is in 11th plan for hydro. In private, there are two mega projects. One is with the Ethana Group, that is of 1200 megawatt. Another with the JP, that is of 1000 megawatts. And I hope that both the projects will come. This plan is going to suffer because of one Parvati project. That is some contractual dispute is there, and that's continuing. And some problem which is mega project, that's Subanshri, that is also with the NHPC, PSU. There is some geological serious problems. So as far as this, out of this, I am very much sure that 11,000 to 12,000 we shall get in this 11th five-year plan from hydro.
I would also like to ask you, around 6,435 megawatt of total 9 government-owned hydroelectric projects have been delayed due to environmental and forest clearances. Government had appointed nodal officers in Ministry of Power and Ministry of Environment and Forest to expedite these clearances, but still long time has been taken for these clearances.
It is slightly more complicated than that. Many times these clearances go right up to the Supreme Court. Wildlife clearance also goes up to the Supreme Court. Now these are some of the things which are beyond government's purview really, and you can't expedite beyond a particular limit. There are issues regarding resettlement, rehabilitation. Courts also pass certain orders that you will not raise the height of the dam beyond a particular level till all the rehabilitation is going on. In Mr. Yogendra Prasad's state, the Tihri project today is suffering because it has not been allowed to reach its full height.
Other than the problem which you mentioned, there is another problem that has been noticed, and that is many of the hydro plants has been held up due to disputes between companies and contractor, like THDC's Koteshwar Concrete Dam, and around 12 projects of NHPC has been delayed due to rate dispute with private contractors. Is Ministry coming out with some new set of contract guidelines to mitigate these problems?
What we have done is that we have appointed a working group under the chairmanship of Chairman, Central Electricity Authority. This group has prepared, in fact, the draft model tender, contract documents. International best practices have been taken into account. There's an organization called FIDIC. They have certain ready-made contract documents. Those documents have been used but modified to suit Indian conditions. As Mr. Prasad said earlier, it's a question of your contract management also. It's not just a question of geological surprise having taken place. How do you react to that surprise is also important. And whether the contract that you have designed and entered into, whether it has eventualities built into it which take care of the various problems that are likely to be encountered. So that is being ensured. As I said, the draft document has been prepared. It has been circulated for comments to various people, and very soon I'm sure we'll be able to come out with these model documents.
The contract management here is the main thing. Now all these projects which you mentioned, probably contract management is faulty there, and we need to come out with the solutions. Now supposing you have to allot a project, you should not award the work till you are having the land in hand. And the contractor, you award the work only then when he is ready to come and straightway starts the work. Now if it has not happened, he has mobilized and his zero time has started, and you are stuck up in land acquisition, so he is definitely going to ask for that. Now unfortunately in India, Indian contracts particularly, I won't say, now World Bank aided project has got this clause, Indian contracts does not have this clause. Now they will say, okay, we will analyze it, and that sometimes the contractor stops the work and says, first you settle this and only I will go ahead.
The common objective is to complete the project in time and within cost. For that objective, each has a role to play. there are various risks. Those risks have to be clearly allocated. What are the risks that the contractor will bear? What are the risks that the project developer will bear? Once you have a clarity on this risk allocation, then whatever is the eventuality, you see who is responsible for it, and then he has to pay for it.
This part of EMA Power News is brought to you by Vijay Electricals, transforming the future.
There are a number of examples in Indian hydro project development context of large varieties from estimated cost, primarily on account of differences between the outcomes of investigations and ground realities. Do you feel there is a need of improvement in the quality of studies, investigation, analysis and findings?
For starting a project, the most important thing that you have to prepare the DPR correctly. Detailed project report should be done in correct manner after putting skilled manpower in that. If the DPR is correct, then all these problems can be addressed faster. What happens in DPR, you are mentioning that class 3, class 4 rocks is there, class 1 rock is there, and if actual excavation it comes class 5. Then as Mr. Kawale also tells, Mr. Sharma also tells, then contractual problem starts. The whole thing is that our basic thing is important that the DPR should be prepared correctly, water availability should be analyzed correctly, geological things, class section of rocks, all these things should be done correctly. Because after DPR is prepared in time and properly, I don't think there will be much delay in execution of the projects. I have done some projects before time even. Chamera project was done before time, in 4 years' time, because DPR was prepared by NHPC in much better way. Even projects like Napta Chakri was also created by me, Indra Sagar was done. All these projects, a lot of decisions were taken, and where you have to have a faith on your field team also. Unless you have better contract management, things will not improve. In hydro projects, the most important thing, the development of a skilled manpower and different class of people. It is not that only engineers will do. Engineers can design, they can go for some time, but they are not supposed to be there 8 hours, 10 hours while concreting is going on, excavation is going on. For that you have to have good quality of foreman, good quality of electrician, ITI trained people, so that they can see the things are moving properly as per profile prepared for the project. So if these things are done, then cost will never increase, and variation will be 5 to 10% only.
Like, you want to add something?
This in hydro, you know, it is a most difficult construction. DPR, whatever we make it, certainly we should make it the bankable DPRs, but certainly even after that we feel the surprises. We see so many changes. For all to deal all these things, first thing is needed in-house. We should have a competency, particularly a design civil competency, civil design competency. And country is suffering because of this. NTPC has suffered because of that. They were not having that design team in-house, practically, of that level whatever the NHPC was having. NHPC has dealt even Dulhasti at later stage, Pista 5, which I was posted there. So that one team that is needed, number one. Number two, contractual issue. Whatever they have raised, everyone is following the FIDIC, absolutely no problem. That is defined. But in real sense, to resolve the dispute, how much we are serious and what is the system if the both are not obliging their responsibilities. We don't have the court or any dispute boards. They take lot of times. So because of that, projects are suffering. Thirdly, so because of that, we should have a timely decisions.
It's time to take a short break. We'll carry on this discussion on the other side. You keep watching Power Talk.